Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to be seeing all my bath and body essentials that I'm currently using and loving. So you're going to be seeing wonderful recommendations in the video. Do not skip this video, please continue watching. And also I'm going to be talking strictly about my bath and body products. Only if you need a video on what products I use for my hair or my face, I'll do a separate video on that as well. If you're interested, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do that video for you guys. So without wasting much time, let's get started with today's video. Before which, please give this video a big thumbs up, please share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Most of you watching this video right now are not subscribed to my channel, so please take a moment and hit the red color subscribe button underneath this video and we are good to go. Let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is body washes, and I switch over my body wash from time to time. I get bored of the same scent, so I keep switching over. I mostly use like either palm olive or scent types or Fiamma duals, so I keep switching between these brands. And currently I'm using my favorite shower gel. I keep repurchasing this again and again. This is the palm olive thermal spa skin renewal crushed coconut and jojoba butter extract. So this is a cream based shower gel. It kind of has scrubby particles and it smells exactly like coconut, and I love this shower gel. So if you're looking out for a new shower gel to try, then this is a very good option. It just nourishes your skin so well. It smells so good. The smell lingers on. It lasts on your skin for a long time. So this is the shower gel that I'm currently using. So moving on to razors, I basically like to kind of shave my whole body every week. Like on weekends I like to shave my body, and I have been using this so I have been using this one. This is the Venus razor. I'm not sure, there are two variants in this. There's this purple one and there's this blue one. The purple one comes with these sort of bars, if you can see. So these sort of bars, and these are basically gel kind of bars that kind of transforms into a gel consistency, and you don't even need a soap to shave your whole body. This works great and I love this product. Before I was using the blue color one, and this one is also really good, so I would highly recommend that. As soon as I shave my whole body, I like to use a nice scrub, a body scrub. So exfoliation is not just required for your face, it is also required for your body. Since I'm shaving, I face this problem of ingrown hair, and to avoid all that, to prevent all that, scrubbing your body, exfoliating your body is essential. And I have been using this scrub. This is the Jeva scrub. This is the Jeva coffee body scrub with coconut and argan. It's so good. The particles are like so scrubby and nice. It comes in a good quantity, a good tub as well. It's a beautiful scrub. And also from time to time I would like to switch between this scrub and also another coffee scrub. This is the Scent Types coconut and coffee scrub. So this is a great scrub for your face as well as your body. The particles are gritty. I like a nice gritty scrub for my entire body, so that's the sort of scrub that I like to use for my body. And this is a very good scrub for your body. It also has coconut, coffee, and it deeply exfoliates and cleanses your skin so well after that good shave. And I would highly recommend you guys to try these out. This one is the Scent Types one, and this one is the Jeva coffee body scrub. And if you do not want to buy any body scrubs, you can also make it at home. I have used coffee powder and some coconut oil, and I've used that to scrub my entire body, and it's a very good homemade scrub that you can easily prepare and use. And yeah, that's about scrubs. And please do start using body scrubs and exfoliate your body if you are shaving, especially because ingrown hair is a problem that you might face if you're shaving your entire body instead of waxing or anything. And after this scrub, I pat my skin dry, and I use two products to nourish and moisturize my skin. That is a body lotion and a body oil. So this is the St. Ives body lotion. I like to switch between this and the Nivea one. The Nivea one is also good. This is like so good. This is the blue variant, which is I'm not sure which variant it is. It's the collagen and elastin body lotion, skin renewing, revitalizes skin, renewing its natural radiance. It's a very nice liquidy sort of a consistency that this lotion has. It's not like really thick or anything, and you get a huge bottle. Like you can see, this will last you forever. And I take a good amount of this onto my palm, and I also pump out some amount of this oil. This is the M Caffeine body polishing oil. They recommend this, I mean the directions to use, it says that you apply this oil, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and use a scrub and wash off your body. But I do not use that in this directed way. I use it mixed in with my body lotion. I take some pumps of my body lotion, like a lot of pumps of this body oil, like generous amount. I mix both of them in, and then I apply it onto my body, and I leave it on for 5 minutes before I put on any clothes. You can also wrap yourself with a bath towel, bathrobe or something, and leave it on for 5 minutes so that it soaks into your skin. And this I believe Jaclyn Hill also said this, that it kind of prevents stretch marks. I already have stretch marks, and I would not like to see these stretch marks developing more onto my skin. I would love to control these stretch marks, and body oil definitely helps in that because it nourishes your skin, avoiding stretch marks. So I would highly recommend this M Caffeine body oil. And I also got a backup of this. I'm almost about to get over. I only have this much left. I've used it so much. Even during summers, I like to use this because my skin just is so dry. The skin on the body is like so dry, and this really helps, and it's a very great product. I would recommend that each and every one of you buying this. It smells exactly like coffee. And another option for body oil would be bio oil. I've used that as well. It's a very nice oil. But if you like to have some scent or anything in your body oil, and this is the way to go because it smells exactly like coffee. And the next product that I use is deodorant, and I've been using this one. This is the Nivea deodorant. This controls body odor like none other deodorant. This is so good. It controls my body odor. I don't even get body odor until the evening or night time. It controls the body odor so well, and this is kind of like a roll-on sort of thing. I already have so many backups of this, and I would love to repurchase this again and again, and I've been using this for such a long time. It's a great deodorant. If you're looking out for a roll-on type deodorant, then I would highly recommend that you use this. Since this does not have any scent to it, I like to go in with a body mist. You can use any body mist. Nivea has some great body mists that are available in various flavors and variants, and I have been using this Victoria's Secret body mists. I have like 5 or 6 of them that I keep switching between, but my favorite scent has to be this one. This is the Coconut Passion one. It's so good. Smells like coconuts. My body and bath products are mainly coconuts or coffee. I like those two flavors a lot, or vanilla. So those 3 flavors that I love the most will be there in any one of the products that I use, either body lotion or body wash or mist or anything. So this one is such a great mist. It lasts on your body so long. I just spray it on my pulse points behind my ears, and that's it. You're good to go. So those were my shower products, bath and body products that I use on a day-to-day basis. I hope you loved all these recommendations. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, please share, please comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.